Welcome to this Tech Fix It channel and news channel. Well, we have Microsoft revenue that was released this week, which is kind of interesting. The Microsoft revenues are up quite a lot. So Microsoft has an amazing quarter with revenue of $37 billion, and almost everything is increasing at fast speed, including cloud, including Office, lots of stuff, Azure, everything is on the increase. One of the interesting numbers, maybe for down-to-earth consumers here, is the numbers that go with Windows, which is kind of funny. So, of course, one of the things that we know is that Windows is, in general, a enterprise thing. So the majority of Windows licenses out there are enterprise PCs. But the funny thing with this is this quarter, and it goes with a weird year we are having. The Windows OEM revenue for Pro and for Enterprise are down like 20%, which goes with the fact that, well, businesses are kind of shut down, so they're not investing in new PCs and in new Windows activations. Yet, on the other side, the home version of Windows, the one that you would get with most PCs bought at the store, is up 31%, which is kind of funny. And kind of shows us that a lot of people needed to buy a PC to work from home. And this is the funny part of 2020. A lot of people stuck at home. And a lot of people kind of noticed that, I do need a new computer because the one I have is too crappy to actually do anything good. So kudos with Microsoft anyways for, really diversifying and making its revenues go up so much. It's crazy. When you think that this company was mostly, Office and Windows for a long time, and people were thinking, well, is there a future in there? Well, with cloud and all the other services, it's kind of interesting. One other aspect that is kind of interesting, Surface devices seem to have sold a lot more. This could also have to do with the fact that COVID made people work from home, so more PCs were sold from the Surface line of laptops, for example, or devices that Microsoft also sells. So that's kind of interesting to see. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.